In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show or hide grid lines when printing in Google Sheets. If you've ever printed a spreadsheet and wondered why the light cell lines appeared or disappeared on paper, you're dealing with print grid lines. They're the faint lines that separate cells, and they can make a big difference in readability. Some people prefer them for tidy tables, others hide them for cleaner, more polished reports. Here's how to control them at print time, quickly and confidently. Start by opening your Google Sheets document. Make sure the sheet you want to print is the one currently visible on your screen. When you're ready, go to the File menu at the top and choose Print. If you like shortcuts, you can press Ctrl+P on Windows or Command+P on a Mac. This opens the Print Setup view, which shows a live preview of how your sheet will look on paper or in a PDF. On the right side of this view, look for the section labeled Layout. This is where Google Sheets groups options that affect the overall look of your printout. Within Layout, you'll see a checkbox called Show Grid Lines. This single setting controls whether those faint cell lines are visible in the printed result. If you want grid lines to appear, check the box. If you prefer a cleaner look without them, uncheck the box. As soon as you toggle it, watch the print preview on the left update in real time. This is the best way to confirm you're getting exactly what you expect. It's also a great moment to think about readability. Grid lines can help guide the eye across rows and columns, especially with lots of numbers, while turning them off can make charts, headings, and borders you've added manually stand out more. Keep in mind that this setting affects only the print output. It doesn't change what you see while editing in the sheet. After adjusting the grid lines setting, take a final look at the print preview to ensure the page looks right from edge to edge. Scan across a couple of pages if your sheet spans more than one, and make sure the presence or absence of lines supports your layout. Once you're happy with how it looks, click Next. From there, you can send the document to your printer or choose to save it as a PDF using your system's print dialog. That's all there is to it. With just a quick toggle and a preview check, you can control whether grid lines appear in your printed Google Sheets and produce a result that suits your audience.